Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Andobil bike phone holder. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. Let's get this open. So there's the phone clamp, the welcome guide, support card. Let's take a quick look at the manual here. So here are the specs. It says phone holder capability is 4.7 to 6.8 inch smartphones. Thickness is less than or equal to 15 millimeters. So something to keep in mind is you may have a case on there that might make your smaller phone a little bit bigger. So if your phone without the case does not fit in these ranges, with the case it might fit. But that's a pretty big range, so I'm guessing this will fit most phones unless you have something way out of the ordinary. The bicycle clip compatibility is 0.6 to 1.7 inches in diameter. So that's the size of the handlebar it'll clip to. So this could also work on a motorcycle. It could work on a jogging stroller, regular stroller, any kind of pipe that you can clamp it to. And then we have the packing list there. So here's the product diagram. This talks about how to put it together and how to install it on the bike. This talks about rotating it and removing your phone. It says accessory box. That would be the clamp itself. So there's our clamp. So this has a metal screw in it and there's silicone on the inside. So you can unscrew this to open it up to put it on your handlebar, and you can see the little ribbing here on the silicone to grip the handlebar. And then we have a metal stud here with a ball and socket to mount on the back of this. See what this says. It says, when installing the mobile phone, please push the mobile phone up to clamp the arm, which will save effort. Please reassemble the bracket first and then fix the bracket to the handlebar. Okay, so there's an open button on the bottom. And it shows in the picture to put the tightening knob up. So I'll loosen this in the back here. So this came all the way off. We can set it over the ball here. We'll press this into place. You have to press a little bit till it clicks. Then we'll put that back on. And then when you get this in the position, you can tighten this down. Like so. So this will clamp onto your bike. Your phone will go in here. So here I have a phone. This is a iPhone 6. So I want to push in the top here. So it's here, and then I'll press in on the sides like that. And now that's very secure. I mean, that's incredibly secure. So to loosen it, I'll press the button on the back, and then I'll lift the phone out. So these do move together, the top and bottom, and the sides move together. So that keeps it centered. So this has silicone on the bottom, sides, top, and back. So it's protected by silicone all the way around. And you can see this ribbing here is to isolate shock. So it acts as kind of a shock absorber. So if you hit a bump, it doesn't send all that right into your phone. So there it is all around. Okay, so this does have a hole in the bottom, so you can route a cable to this and charge it while it's in this mount. So you could have this on the front of your bike. You could have a cable coming out of here routed along your top tube on your bicycle to a battery pack in your bike bag, and you could run your phone for a very long time. So I have a bike here. This is just a bike I have sitting around. I can show how to put it on this bike. This will fit over the handlebar like so. Then we can clamp it down. Okay, and now we can insert the phone in here. We'll just push up on it, squeeze in the sides, and now we're secure. Press the button on the back to release the sides. We'll lift up and pull it right out. So I'm going to show it on my bike I'm actually going to use it on, but I just wanted to show it here where I had the good lighting on how I mount this on the handlebar. So I'm going to head out on a bike ride and test this out, and then I'll come back and give my thoughts. Okay, so I have this mounted on my bike here. So I would have rather mounted it right here, but I have this reflector. So I'll need to remove the reflector to move it over here. But I have it over here for now, and it's working fine. It has been very stable on my bike ride. I'm 9 miles in on my ride. I want to remove my phone. I just lift up here, pull it out. Put it back like that. Okay, so I went on a bike ride. I shot a little clip there of this on the bike. I'll say this worked incredibly well. It wasn't jiggling around. It held very secure. I really like that this clamp is easy to take on and off. So if you have multiple bikes, you can easily take this off one bike and put it on another bike. You don't have to have any tools or anything. You can just clamp it on. Now I did notice one thing on my bike. The tube has a taper to it in certain areas, so that would limit where you can put this. And as I showed in the video, I had a reflector where I would have liked to have clamped this. So I could easily remove that reflector, but I found another flat area off to the side where I was able to clamp this. In between where the reflector was and where I actually clamped this was kind of a sloped area, and I might have been able to clamp that to this, but it probably isn't ideal. You want to look for the flat areas where you can mount this. I guess I can measure this too. So this is 1 3/8 inches wide. the rubber area on the inside is 1 inch wide. So I didn't take this on any extreme mountain biking or anything, but I do feel like this would hold the phone very well in those situations. So that's the Andobil bike phone mount. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.